Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I have something that makes taking formula for your baby on the go so much easier and cuter. This little formula dispenser is from Bebamour, and it's not only adorable, but does a great job at holding plenty of formula for you when you're on the go. I love the cow shape. It is just so cute. It is a silicone finish, so it's really soft to the touch and easy to clean. It comes with this little strap that you can use to attach to your bag, or just really easy to carry. When you open up the nose, the first thing you see is the spoon it comes with. Just to be safe, I like to use the scoop that comes with my formula to make sure I have the right measurement. And the opening is really large. That makes it easy to pour your formula in there without making a big mess, which I really like. And you can fit so much formula in there. This is really convenient when you just don't know exactly how much you're gonna need for the day. You wanna make sure you have enough. So I just use my scoop and put it in there. I love how it has that little flap on the left that you can use to even out your scoop to make sure you have an accurate amount of formula to water ratio. It's really easy to close. It has a really good seal, so you don't have to worry about it going bad. It's also the perfect size to fit inside my diaper bag without taking up too much room. So if you're looking for a formula dispenser, definitely check this one out from Bebamour. Not only is it adorable, but it holds a really good amount of formula, makes it really easy to take with you on the go, and is really convenient to have. That's my point of view.